You might think space is a vast, silent void where no sound travels, so it might seem like the quietest place imaginable. And it is, at least to the human ear. But if you could tune into radio waves, you'd uncover a never-ending symphony of strange and scary sounds filling the cosmos. In this video, we bring you some of the most scary sounds in space ever recorded. The first on our list are the sounds from Jupiter's bow shock. These sounds were recorded when Juno passed Jupiter. Jupiter's bow shock happened when the solar wind slams into Jupiter's giant magnetic field, causing some wild disruptions. The sound recorded in 2016 catches all that chaos and, trust me, it's super creepy. Next on our list is a scary sound from Saturn, recorded where the Cassini spacecraft has picked up some intense radio signals. These bursts of energy light up around the planet's aurorae, where magnetic field lines weave through the poles. Here's how Earth sings, a mix of crackling storms, aurora whispers, and the hum of charged energy. Together they create a scary, frightening voice. Ganymede unique sequels. Ganymede's creepy sounds are caused by its wild electromagnetic waves. NASA's Juno spaceship picks up these signals so we can actually hear this freaky stuff. Next up, we have the haunting whispers of our neighbor planet. Martian dust devils appear when the sun heats up Mars's surface, making the air rise and form a low-pressure vortex that lifts up the dust, creating some seriously haunting voices. The sounds from the black holes have been making waves on YouTube, and it's for their peculiar tone, but sometimes the epitome of darkness can sound very scary. Neptune is all smooth and serene from afar, but if you set foot on her surface, your eardrums would shatter with this voice. They'd shred you to pieces before you could even blink. NASA's Voyager 1 recorded the sounds of interstellar space. Its plasma wave instrument picked up vibrations from dense ionized gas in late 2012 and mid-2013, each time with a rising tone. Saturn's rattling thunderstorms are downright scary. Listen to these sounds and feel the chills. With this, we wrap up our list of the creepiest voices in space. Let us know which one gave you the chills, and if we missed any, drop a comment. We'll be sure to add it to our next roundup.